Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. This is Baljit, and this video we will be installing leather seat covers on Toyota Tacoma. Full set, front row and rear row. Now let's start. Seat covers came in this box from Amazon. The price is under $200. I will leave a link in description if you guys interested in this kind of seat covers. This video is not a paid or any money I'm getting from this company. I'm just making this video with my own money. So also they comes in this kind of zipper vacuum bag to reduce their size. I will open this bag, inspect individually each cover if any visible mark or any damage. So if we have any issue, we can return right now, and then I will leave each cover accordingly goes on the seat, so for easy installation. Now I will open this bag of the camera and then we will start installation. These covers are like a full body, full set for Toyota Tacoma. Somehow we have to manage here. Outside is raining. I was thinking I can do this video outside so we can see better, but we have to manage. I'm gonna check one by one. So physically I have inspected. I didn't go in a really detail, but I checked. Looks so far okay. We're gonna start installation. There are also airbag rated. If you have a Toyota Tacoma airbag on the passenger and driver seat cover seat, then these are the right one. You have to buy like these. So now I have a separated seat covers accordingly where they're gonna go. I left it like that, but we don't have to do like that. I found really easy way. If you're curious how you know which seat cover goes where, like there's at the bottom little sticker, and sticker have some kind of information and also tells you the seat cover, which seat cover is. So what I'm gonna do, I will start from the driver side. I'm gonna leave this one on the back. And also they have installation instructions. You can do whatever you want. You can install first the head cover, back and front, it doesn't matter. I seen some video, the people saying they're really hard to install because they're like box, they're really snug fit. But I'm gonna try to see how hard and how easy this one. As I maintain, it doesn't matter which one you're gonna install first. We can start with any. First we're gonna remove headrest, and then we're gonna have your seat all the way down. Now first we're gonna install the bottom one. Bottom one have 3 straps. They're gonna go from the bottom of the seat, and we're gonna tie it on the back. So really simple. This one I don't think so it's really hard or anything. This one we're gonna just put it like this. Push this one under. Okay, now this tool gonna come handy. Plastic under the seat. We have to push straps through this one. You don't have to put seat first. You can push those straps first. Let me show you what plastic I'm talking about. So these straps need to go through this plastic. We're gonna pull from the bottom. We can use this tool to push. So now we have to pull that seat cover, the bottom one, from here, from the middle of both, like a backrest and from the bottom. For this one, I have to remove this one. The original seat cover have a little hook. Just remove the hook. They will come off from the both sides. Now we're gonna pull from here and we're gonna tack it through these plastic little snuggie, then we're gonna tighten those straps. After a little bit of struggle, I was able to put at the bottom driver side on. I have to take it off to just make sure that's for this one, because they didn't make a little room for this one. So I have a hard time to feeding from here. They made a little cut over here for this switch. This one we have to just tack it like that. The easiest way, there's a 3 strap. I pull really hard. And now it's fit snuggie. I'm gonna tie the strap on the back side. Then we will work on this one. Now I have a tied straps on the back side. It's really easy. You don't have to be seeing how to do it. Just the way it comes, you're gonna just do the same way. Now we're gonna move this one and put these hooks back. So we're gonna install this one. Hopefully this one will be easy, because the bottom one I have to struggle a lot, and all my nails was just busted. Better if you have some kind of a gloves, but I done anyway. So we're gonna try this one. This one have a zipper on the one side. That might make my life more easy. Here we go. As I have mentioned already here, there's an airbag option, also sticker. So if your truck have an airbag on the seat backrest, then you need to buy the comply with the airbag sticker. So I'm gonna push through here again. Here we go. When you push with the hand, that's the way you're gonna bust your nails. But if you put gloves on, it's gonna be more thicker. It's gonna be really hard to go in. Driver side back seat cover is on, but I have to remove those the hooks for the original seat cover. Remove again. So when you install the bottom one, don't put it back. These one I have to remove again. So I have to pull the top seat cover, the seat cover from the back, and just tack it up. I will leave this one like that somehow, and we're gonna use only, there's one hook. I will use this one all the way at the front as much as I can tight. So here we go. I have put this hook back. I'm gonna put those straps inside somehow, hide it so it will look more clean from the bottom. Finally, driver side is done. I'm gonna start passenger side, then the back side. And the only thing you might have to do, just make sure your mechanical parts go back and forth. See nothing getting stuck in. Passenger side, I believe, is going to be a lot easier because there's not any plastic wrap on the side. Also, there's not any electronics on the bottom. It's only one, I believe, airbag sensor. I've done this side. This side, I was able to do my hand. I'm gonna go on the back side, pull, put all the straps, and we're done with this one. Then we're gonna start this one. Front headrest, a little bit confusing because this one's a front headrest. This one is really big. It's a front headrest. I have another one, which one I have installed already with the passenger side, but to installation, it just go on it. So I'm using 2 small ones. This big one might be for something else. So raining stop. Now we have some light here. Rear seat, it might be a little bit more easier since we have this one easy to tilt it. So I have 3 straps. We're gonna take in the back. Let's see if I have to push somehow. Okay, let's see. Here we go. That's a lot easier. We're just gonna strap. We also have a there are little stretchable cords to tight from the side. For those belts, we can tack it here. This one also here. These ones. All right. All right, now you can pull this buckle out, or you can leave it in if you're not using. So here, this one done. I believe that one gonna be same than the rear one. So now the rear one, I'm gonna install small one first. It's really easy. The rear one a lot easier than front. Front was really hard. I just moved the headrest already. We're gonna pull back. This one also whole body. It's not just only front, it's also on the back side. At the seat cover, we have a zipper on the one side and the Velcro on the bottom. So we're gonna just put it on, zip it, and just put this a Velcro back. It will be done. So the rear one, seat covers are on, as we mentioned before. For these things, they have already made a big hole. But these ones, for the middle headrest, we have to push through the hole. Then we will put a headrest on. All the seat covers are installed already. Only one concern right now, as this time, since I was working outside, I get hot and I got a little sweat. As you can see, I have a couple of marks. I have the same thing on the front, but after dry out, they go away. We'll see how it goes. So far, we're done. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and meet you in the next video with the new topic.